Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This spacious bungalow house is built on approximately 17,500 square feet of land and is centrally located. It boasts of features such as sunken living room area, breakfast counter, balcony suitable for family gatherings, relaxation, and parties. It also has a study, indoor and outdoor storeroom, and four bedrooms that are fully AC, while the fifth bedroom uses a ceiling fan. It is just a stone throw away from the Black River Hospital and 3 minutes drive to the town center of Black River. This lot is rectangular in shape, level and evenly graded. The property is accessed via a double swing gate with electronic access and also has a single walk gate. Property features ornamental plants and fruit trees. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million or US $214.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.